Dear brothers and sisters, we all know that Jesus came in the world with a particular mission. The mission was to proclaim about or to talk about His kingdom. That is the purpose He came in the world, to build a new, large family. A large family where everyone constantly seeks and to find the will of God and do it. And this is what is brought out well, both in the first reading as you heard, and more so in the second reading, where Jesus is busy talking about the kingdom in a house, where lots of people have gathered. In the course of His teaching, He gets a message that His mother and His brethren have come outside, and they would like to see Him. And you heard His reply. Does the reply seem to say it has hurt his mother? I'm sure not. He says something more about his mother. She was the one who accepted to be the mother, first of all, of Himself. And she said, I am your handmaid. And from that time on, Mary herself constantly went and sought God's will. And so to Jesus Himself. Jesus says, those who are seeking constantly my will and doing it is a member of a large family. He or she is my mother, my brothers and sisters. So here's a large family Jesus came to establish. And I'm sure all of us will say, we are members of the large family after we got our baptism. But then, as we are living our life, do we constantly seek His will and do it? Or do we go about seeking what is good for us and our family, keeping aside so-called God's will? Because when you seek God's will, it is difficult because we all have our own likes and desires, our own so-called inclinations. And we try to seek God's will to discern and to pray. Well, He says, okay, that is too difficult. But we said yes at baptism. And that's true. The large family you all belong. If you want to be Jesus' mother and His brothers and sisters, we need constantly to seek. And if you can seek and find it, through the scriptures, by reading and reflecting, and once you have sought it, we need to do it, come what may. We ask God's grace for us, the senior members of the large family, the spiritual family God established, that we constantly seek His will, like our Mary Mother, and always do it.